Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time, so I want to come and show you some products I got, some skincare products I got online. So I'm going to be unboxing. So this is it. I'm not going to be showing where I got this from because this is not a paid advert, right? So let's go. So I got two products. This will be small. I got this Kojisan skin lightening soap. I don't know if you can see this properly. This is what it looks like. This is it. It's 2-in-1, and I bought it from a trusted vendor. Like, she sells original, so I'm very sure I got an original Kojisan lightening soap, an original one. So this is 2-in-1. Let's see. I'll be reviewing this soap in no time when I use it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's small. Hey, I got it for 2006, like this. 26. So this is the size of the soap. That means one of this is like 1003. Hey, good. Oh. They don't chop my money for Lagos. Wahala. Okay, so this is two of it, like this is 2600. Then I got this Nivea sunscreen. This is the one I love most. Like, this is the favorite part of this shopping that I did, because I really wanted a very I wanted to try out a different sunscreen. I have a video of a sunscreen that I've been using before, and the sunscreen is very good. Like, it's a moisturizer. It doesn't leave any white cast, but the only thing is that during the hot weather like this, when you use it, you will sweat. I tend to sweat a lot when I use that sunscreen, so for some time I've not been using it. So I will just keep it maybe during the Hamatan or raining season. I can use that one. But this one, this is the Nivea ultraviolet super water 50 plus gel. Like, it has an SPF 50, so it's very, very good. I got this for how much did I buy this? Is this 7,460? I don't know. I'll put the price. The actual price I bought it for is on my receipts. So this is it. I really don't know what to do to this my phone. Like, the space is, there's no storage. So sorry about that. So I've removed it from I've detached it from the pack. So this is a big jar, not really big, sha. The size is 140 gram. So this could help. I think this could last me for like a month, because I'm going to be using it on my face and on my body as well. So not just my face. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I'll be trying out the soap, everything. I think delivery fee 1,005. Everything together was about 820 or 860. I can't really remember. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I'll be sharing my feedback. I'll give you a review if it is something you should try or not. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Click that red button, turn on the bell notification icon, and do make sure you like this video and drop a comment. Share with your friends as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye besties.